This is a new series of winding deformation experimental testing equipment developed by our company Rindo. It is equipped with response terminal, input terminal, and the excitation terminal. This is combined input terminal with excitation terminal. This is equipped for standby. Red clamp, yellow clamp, two grounding clamp. This is for equipment power cord. USB for computer. As far as we can see, there are three parts on the winding deformation experimental testing equipment. This is the input part, this is the excitation part, and this yellow one is the response part. First, we insert the plug of the grounding clamp into the jack of the yellow wiring clamp and connect the input and the excitation terminal to the red clamp. And in case that these wires on site can't be wound, and then the yellow one, we insert the grounding clamp into the jack of the yellow wiring clamp and connect the response terminal to the yellow clamp. Now we use the USB to connect the equipment with the computer. This is information that you need to write. Now, on site, which connection mode you need to choose. We now test the LV site. We now test OA. O terminal is for red clamp, and terminal A is for yellow clamp. Now everything is okay. We start the test. Now the OA is done. We continue the test OB. O is still for red clamp and B is for yellow clamp. Red clamp for O and yellow clamp for B. Now everything is okay. Continue the test. Now we continue the test to do the OC. O is still for red clamp and C is for yellow clamp. Now, terminal O for red clamp and terminal C for yellow clamp. We start the test. Yeah. Now we have done the test right now and we can see 3 curves on the computer. The test result will automatically saved in this part, and now we can export the result. And we can export with Word or JPG. Okay. Now we can see the test report and the 3 curves. And thank you.